peachy slime. So let's get started with the ingredients. So what you will be needing is a container. By the way, we will be giving away this slime, so just comment down below why you would like it, and you might get it. So yeah, you'll need a container, which you will get in. The slime will be in that when you receive it. And then you will need some borax solution. I got this little, oh my god, that happens every time. So I got this little thing, and it's just like, it's easier, much easier, because you can just like shake it up, you know. So the borax, you know, is shaken up, so you can like see, and it's pretty cool. And then you're gonna need some shaving cream, some lotion. I just got this from Claire's. I've never used it, so just have it, you know. Then you'll need some vanilla scent. It's optional, you don't need it. Maybe your lotion will make it smell good. But we're just doing that because it's a peachy slime. Why vanilla, you may ask? Because peach smells terrible, the one I have. So I think vanilla, it's just gonna make it smell like refreshing, you know? So let's give that a try. And that's it, so let's get started. So, oh my gosh, this is glue. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and take your glue and start pouring it in the bowl. And so you're not gonna wanna put in too much, not in too little either. Just a little more. Yeah. So this should be about enough. You don't need to add as much as me. I just want it to be like, you know, one of those bigger slimes that takes over the whole universe. And then you're gonna take your shaving cream. Just a friendly reminder, we will be doing the color last before the borax, so yeah. Then you're gonna wanna take this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I think that's enough, guys. So then you're gonna wanna take that, do as much as I did, and start stirring. So let me just stir and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have mixed it in. It's like huge. I normally make smaller slimes because that's how much ingredients I have, but recently I've got 2 of these huge gallons, so yeah. Yeah, and then you're gonna wanna get in your lotion. It doesn't matter what brand it is really, it just matters if you add in a bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna add in 5 pumps because I mean, like, I don't wanna add in too much, you know? And I don't want to add in too little. So I think 5 pumps will be fine. I really just add it because I think I just want to be safe, you know, with my choices, because my choices are normally really bad. Anyways, so I'm going to just be stirring this. Oh my god. This is going to, oh god. This is going to be a nightmare when we need to stir and it gets all clumped together. Okay. Then you're going to take your orange. Gonna take your orange and only add 1 thing of it. If yours is a huge slime, like filled up to the top of this bowl, then you're gonna want to add in like 2. Then you're gonna take your borax and start pouring. I don't know what's going on with me today. I need autocorrect or something. I wish they had human correct. So then you're gonna wanna take your borax. You're gonna wanna, well, if your borax has hot water, which is probably better, mine has like cold water. It's not too cold. You're gonna wanna add in more because hot gives it a different effect. So if you were slime expert like somebody I know, okay. So right now, as you can see, it's not fully developed. I just like kneading really, really early for some reason because it feels nice. And you don't want to take 2 hands. Just take 1 hand and start doing this. And if it's not clumping together, just add more. And if it's kind of clumping together, you can just feel it for a while, you know. And as you can see, mine is clumped together, so you know it's gonna be good. but we need more borax. So just keep doing this until it kind of stops sticking to the bowl. And then you're gonna wanna take your hands, and we're just gonna start kneading it. So let me move away this bowl. Move. And put it on the table. And then doing this is kind of the best because it helps your slime like. So basically, just do what I'm doing right here, right now. And if you don't want to do this, just do that because it helps your slime like get stretched, but also it's kind of like pulling back. It also feels much better. I guess it's time for vanilla. Drop, drop. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I just noticed that this smells a bit like the medicine I take, or is it just me? Oh my god. No, because I'm really close to it. It smells a bit like medicine, but it's gonna... you see, in the slime it makes it smell much better. Well, that's it for the videos, guys. I really hope you enjoyed how to make it so you can make one of your own. It can be blueberry if you want, watermelon, or whatever you want. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And go ahead and comment why you'd like this slime, because I'm giving it away in one of my specialty more amazing containers. It smells like vanilla, so I think most of you like the smell of vanilla. So I think most of you love the smell of vanilla, and if you like the smell of chocolate, then I don't know. Anyways, so as I was saying, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below why you like the slime, and we'll see who gets it. I'll choose from the comments, and I see you in the next video. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we are making our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so hit that. Nope, don't hit it. Smash the subscribe button, guys, because you know you want to. And if you liked this video, you should go check out some other ones, because if you like taste in Roblox, we have some of that and some slime. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.